So before this video starts, just wanted to apologize if you think, it's poor quality. It's going to be that way for a while. First few videos, still trying to figure stuff out. Anyway, let me know if the information here is actually, you think is usable. And let's get into it. How's everyone doing? Figured being quarantined and all, be a good time to put up some videos on YouTube, like I said I was going to so many times. So, was gonna go off-roading today, but New York had some other plans, and it's just not gonna happen. Anyway, today gonna be trying to get the headliner of the truck out. I'll probably show some of the steps that I have to take. Alright, just so I had some idea of what I was actually going to do. Pulled the driver's side A-pillar and B-pillar, as well as the sun visor and that little hook they got in the back there. So yeah, now I'll take you through the steps that it took me on the passenger side. Alright, first thing you're going to do, take a pick if you have it. If not, a pocket screwdriver will be fine. And on the bottom side of this top flap and the top side of this bottom flap, you're just going to pop them out like that, so you can get access to two 10 mils, one there, one in there. Once you got your 10 mils out, you should be able to just grab the handle and pull. Apologies for that cut. The handle came back, flew back, knocked the camera out my hand and hit me in the face. Anyway, so you got your handle off the A-pillar here. It's gonna feel and sound like you broke something, but that's just how interior works. Next thing you're gonna want to do is try to get this right here, this little cover off. Below that will be a Torx bit, and once all that's off, you should be able to pull this B-pillar. So we'll get into that. But to get this cover off, just squeeze in on the adjustment handles here. Should be able to put your fingers under the bottom there, lift up, and it comes off. Okay, so to get this Torx bolt out, gonna need a T47, and if you got a big enough impact, I guess send it. I personally am not gonna do that because I don't want to break nothing. So I'm just gonna sit here for a minute, struggle with this tiny ratchet, and I will get back to you. After you get that bolt out, you're going to need to get behind this SRS logo here. Take your pick or pocket screwdriver again from the top, go down. Inside is another Torx, or sorry, not Torx, that's just a regular Phillips head. So pull that. Once you get that little Phillips head screw out of there, you should be able to pull this panel off, B-pillar. Again, gonna sound like you're breaking it, but that's fine. And then it will be caught underneath this black part, so just give that a pull, and this whole thing comes out just like that. And once you got that plastic piece off your B-pillar, what I personally did was move on to the sun visor, get this off. There's gonna be one T20 screw on the inside, and there's gonna be two 8 mil little things there and there. Get those out. The last thing left before we can pull down the sun visor is take out the dome light. You can see back there, little gap. Take your pick, screwdriver, whatever, pop it off, pull it to the side, and this whole thing should come out. Actually, there's a little clip up there. Unclip that, and maybe not. Didn't mean to have to cut the video, but had to mess with it a little bit, get it pulled out. Pretty much get that clip undone after, and this right side will be stuck in with this tab. All you gotta do, wiggle it some and give it a firm pull to the left, and it should release. At this point, when you have all those trim pieces, panels, whatnot pulled out, you should be able to just start pulling down on the headliner like that and get it out. You are going to need to fudge it a bit, you know, but it'll come out. Got the headliner down. Something I just found out for myself. They glued all these wires in place, so you want to take your dome light connector, pull it through that little flap there, and then this stuff here just pulls away real easy, and once you get it off, you can pull out your headliner. So when all is done, you're gonna be left with this. The airbag wire is hanging down, and so is the dome light wires, so keep that in mind. If you're gonna have your headliner out for a bit, go tuck that up above or something, tape it off. Got all the plastic out of the truck. I'm just gonna clean it off now. If I need to mask stuff off, I'll do that, and I'm gonna scuff it, and that's all I can get done for today.